I'm going to show you how to generate or create fully completed vertical sort videos using AI in just a few seconds. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So basically all you need to do is go to CapCut.com, create an account or log in with your Google account, and right here go to Magic Tools. So basically there is this tool which is a script to video that will automatically create a script for your video, and then it will also create the videos using media to basically have all your vertical content ready in just a few clicks. So all you need to do is go to generate a script. After you click right here, this will pop up. So if you put slash, this AI writer will pop up where you can choose if we want a narration script or a commercial script. So in my case, let's say write a script for a pancake recipe, and then if I click here, this will automatically generate the script in a few seconds. And this is the script. As you can see, it looks good. This is the script we are going to use in our video. So if we don't like this one, we can click on next and this will show different variations. So let's say I want this one. I can click on use a script and then I'm going to click on generate video. So right here we can use the smart generation, which means that CapCut will generate a video with the media suitable for that script, or custom generation, which means that you need to add the media, so all the stock videos or images, and then just select the aspect ratio. You can generate horizontal videos or vertical ones and add the AI voice you want to use, so you can test them or preview them and use the one you want. In my case, I'm gonna use this one, for example, and after that just generate the video. So basically what this tool will do is it will generate us this script of any topic you want, and then after that you just need to click on generate video and it will automatically generate us a completely ready video, so we can upload it to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or wherever you want. And this is very useful because you can have a complete video in just like 30 seconds or a minute, and this way you can create a lot of content every day, so you can manage or upload videos to a lot of different social medias and manage your accounts much easier. So this will give us a lot of engagement because we can upload like ton of videos every day. So let's wait until the AI generates the video. So now we have our video completely ready right here. We can see it looks very good with all the stock media. It has automatic captions, it has the AI voice, but where we can export it right here if we like it, and we can edit this video if there is something we want to change. So if you click there, this video editor will pop up where you can change basically everything. As you can see, it has background music, it has the AI voice, it has all the stock or media right here, and then the captions. So for example, let's say I want to change the captions. There is something I don't like. You can change the text right here. Then you can also change the captions preset right here. And if there is something you want to remove, you can do that as well, or replace it with any media you want. And after you have your video, you can click on export, and this will export your video without watermark, so you can download it or directly upload it to any of these social medias. And that's it. This way you can produce a lot of content and earn money by managing social media accounts. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.